My name is Francesca Stewart. I'm a special ed teacher. I work at Way Park. You have to have a lot of patience to work with them on a day-to-day basis, but I would never change it for anything in the world. You got to have the patience, and you got to understand the kids and know their background.
My name is Eloise Bullock. I'm a parent for the Cleveland Metro Schools. I work in an ED classroom with children, their disabilities, their emotional disturbed. Today we're cooking with the cops. So what we did this year, the ED classroom and the MH classroom, we paired them together. So the ED students are acting as peer models, and we're teaching them life skills. So that's what the MH class get from it, and what the ED class get from it, it teaches them compassion and community responsiveness.
My name is Adrian Calhoun. I've been a police officer for about 6 years now. I actually grew up in the inner city, actually right down the street on 79th and Superior. My family lives here. It's something I wanted to give back to the community. I enjoy helping people. I enjoy making a difference and being a positive influence to the kids and young men and women of our community.
Sergeant Tim Higgins. I've been with the City of Cleveland for 25 years. Today we're having the opportunity to take the kids from Way Park Elementary and not only spend the morning with them, but walk through with a shopping list of our group has cupcakes. So we did a word scramble first with the kids. We'll pick out the words of our shopping list, and then we took that shopping list and went out and bought the ingredients for the cupcakes. And they're going to come back here, cook the cupcakes with the kids, and then enjoy whatever each group is prepared for us.
The interaction between these kids and these officers are phenomenal. And for me, and what I do in the Bureau of Community Relations is building those relationships and building those partnerships. So one, these kids aren't afraid of us. They're not afraid to come up to us and tell us when something's wrong, because we want to make sure that they understand that we're here to help them. And events such as this, it's just awesomely planned. And Dave here has been so gracious with us. It helps us fulfill that goal.
It provides the opportunity for the kids to see that, you know, we're police officers, but we're real people too. We cook at home with our kids. For example, the kids that's with me, he's big on that Salt Bay, the guy that drops the salt off of his elbow, and he's asking, could he do that? So we went and had not sprinkles, but it just shows that I pay attention to regular stuff like regular people, just like he is.
It builds confidence. Sometimes when you're an ED student and you experience so much in your life, you know, my class is 3rd to 5th grade, you experience a lot of trauma in your life. Sometimes you become cold and hard and you feel helpless. So our motto this year is one child, one teacher, one book, and only one pen can change the world.